Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on an iPhone for Call of Duty. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled. You can quickly access this from the Control Center or the main Settings application. Now, grab your PlayStation 4 controller and simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the Share button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This indicates the controller is in pairing mode and ready to connect. With your controller in pairing mode, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Bluetooth. You should see DualShock 4 Wireless Controller appear under Other Devices. Tap on it to connect. Once paired, the light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller will turn a solid color, usually blue, confirming it is successfully connected to your iPhone. You are now one step closer to an enhanced gaming experience. Now that your controller is connected, open Call of Duty Mobile. From the main menu, tap the Settings gear icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Within the settings, scroll down or look for the Controller tab and tap it. Here, you will find an option called Controller Support. Make sure this is toggled on. The game should now recognize your PlayStation 4 controller. Inside the Call of Duty mobile controller settings, you can further optimize your experience. Tap on Customize Layout to change button assignments, allowing you to tailor the controls to your personal preferences. You can also adjust the aiming and movement sensitivity, which is crucial for precision in combat. Take a few minutes to experiment with these settings in a practice match. Finding your ideal setup can significantly improve your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.